This isn't just a scientific milestone, it's a game changer for material science and technology. Imagine a diamond so hard and durable, it could outlast anything found in nature. Chinese scientists have just done the impossible, creating a rare form of diamond called Lonsdaleite in a lab, proving it's not just a cosmic curiosity, but a material with real-world potential. But here's where it gets controversial. If this synthetic version can rival the alien diamond from space, what does that mean for our understanding of natural processes and the ethics of creating materials that mimic the universe's extremes? The breakthrough, detailed in a July 30th study in Nature, confirms that Lonsdaleite, a hexagonal crystal structure of carbon, can be made in a lab, not just in meteorites. This rare diamond, first discovered in the Canyon Diablo meteorite that crashed into Arizona 49,000 years ago. But Chinese researchers have now created large, pure crystals using extreme pressure, over 100 gigapascals, and heat, around 1200 degrees Celsius, mimicking the shock waves from cosmic collisions. This isn't just a lab experiment. It's a scalable process that could revolutionize industries like electronics, drilling, and even quantum computing. And this is the part most people miss. Lonsdaleite isn't just harder than regular diamonds. It's theoretically 58% harder under specific conditions. That means it could last longer in cutting tools, improve the efficiency of deep-sea drilling, or even become a key component in next-gen tech. But the real question is, can we scale this up? While the Chinese team has made progress, producing millimeter-sized crystals remains a challenge. As one Twitter user noted, this meteorite diamond might soon outpace earthbound gems in durability. The race to create super-hard materials is intensifying. China's state-backed research, combined with its dominance in synthetic diamond production, which already accounts for over 90% of the global market, positions it as a leader in this field. However, this breakthrough raises ethical questions. If lab-grown diamonds can replace mined ones, does that reduce environmental harm? Or does it create a new kind of artificial rarity that could distort markets? As NDTV pointed out, the meteorite origins of this diamond add a layer of intrigue, making it both a scientific marvel and a potential luxury item. Looking ahead, the team plans to explore Lonsdaleite's optical properties for lasers and sensors. Collaborations with tech giants could accelerate commercialization, positioning China at the forefront of next-gen materials. Yet, this discovery also sparks new debates. Could Lonsdaleite form naturally on Earth under volcanic pressures? Or is this a purely artificial creation? As the world watches, one thing is clear. This isn't just about making a harder diamond. It's about redefining what's possible when science meets the cosmos.